How to use Zelle with Wealthfront. Here's how to use Zelle like alternatives with Wealthfront, since Wealthfront does not support Zelle directly. Open the Wealthfront app and log in using your email and password. Tap Transfer tab. It's usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Choose Link a bank or app to add an external account that supports Zelle. If your other bank doesn't auto-link, use your routing or account numbers. Go to your Zelle-enabled banks app or site like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, etc. Link your Wealthfront account by entering the Wealthfront routing number and your account number. Send money via Zelle to someone or transfer money from Zelle Bank to Wealthfront. Link Wealthfront the same way using routing or account numbers by using Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App. These apps work like Zelle, and money moves between your Wealthfront account. Transfers usually show up in 1 to 3 business days for ACH. Thanks for watching.